So 8049 has officially teased the Tank 5 series, which means that the Tank 5 series would most likely launch this month. Now, the Tank 5 series are expected to be top tier flagship rugged phones, especially the Tank 5 Pro. According to some of the details, the Tank 5 Pro is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E, while some sources claim the device will be powered by the Dimensity 9300. But it doesn't matter which of the two chipsets the phone would end up having, because both chips are flagship chipsets. Additional features of the device includes a 17,600 mAh battery with up to 120 watts fast charging support. The device is also going to feature a built-in 1080p DLP projector, just like the one we see on the Tank X. And in the camera departments, the phone is expected to feature a 50MP thermal camera utilizing FLIR technology. And the phone is expected to have up to 18GB of physical RAM and 1TB of internal storage. Of course, the device would be available in different memory configurations. And since it's a rugged phone, it's going to be rated IP68 and IP69K. So these are just some of the top details of the Tank 5 Pro. I cannot say the same for the Tank 5. Because it's going to be the standard version. It's going to be a bit cheaper than the Tank 5 Pro, so it may not end up having most of the specs here, especially the processor, but I may be wrong though. Anyway, this is the update that I have for you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.